Hello everyone, welcome to today's JavaScript lesson. In this video, we'll write a program to evaluate a student's total marks across exams and determine their grade based on specific grading criteria. Let's jump right into the details. Here's what we're solving. If a student's marks are between 89 and 100, they earn an A plus grade. But if the exam is the final, they need a minimum of 90 marks for the A plus grade. Let's see how to code this. Here's our function. Exam status, which takes in two parameters, total marks, representing total marks, and is exam, which tells us if the exam is the final. First, we check if is exam is true. If it is, we return true only if the marks are 90 or above. Otherwise, we return true if the marks are between 89 and 100. Let's break this down. If is exam is true, we only return true if marks are 90 or more. If it's not the final exam, we return true for marks between 89 and 100. This handles both cases in a simple function. Let's test our function with a few examples. When we input 78 with no final exam, it returns false. For final exam with 89 marks, it also returns false. But for final exam with 99 marks, it returns true, indicating an A plus grade. Here's a more concise version using an ES6 arrow function. We use a ternary operator to handle the conditions, giving us the same functionality with a cleaner syntax. And that's a wrap. We now have a function that evaluates grades based on exam type and total marks. This is a great way to see if conditional checks in action with JavaScript. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you next time.